Well, more and more women like Chrissy Teigen and Bachelorette Claire Crawley are claiming their breast implants are making them sick and want them removed.
And plastic surgeons are now using a patient's own fat to rebuild their breast. Marty Salt has the details about this procedure.
I can honestly tell you it saved my life.
For Liz Lugo, her beauty promotes her brand. But when she felt her breast implants were hurting her health, she needed natural options to replace them.
I wanted to have something. I wanted to still feel like a woman. I still wanted to, wear cute stuff.
So Miami plastic surgeon Dr. Joshua Lampert suggested fat grafting, taking fat from her thighs with liposuction to fill the void left behind when the breast implants were removed.
So you can borrow from Peter to pay Paul and overall make the patient happier. In fact, it's a better way to sculpt the body.
Using liposuction, the fat is removed, then transferred to the breast. Only the patient's fat can be used. For the first time in her life, Lugo wishes she had more fat.
I was worried how they would look aesthetically, of course, because I was used to double Ds. Now I'm barely a B cup. But my health came first.
It's been 3 months since surgery, and Lugo says she feels better than ever.
And what's great about fat grafting is it gives us one more tool. If I can't put a breast implant back in, how am I going to make this breast look good?
Fat grafting is an option that you can do, and I'm super happy with the results.
Now, after fat grafting, doctors say that about 30% of the fat is reabsorbed into the body.
And the remaining fat will stay there permanently and behave like any other fat in your body.